Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a game on Canva. So under what will you design today, I'm just going to type in the word game in templates. And I'm going to search for the one that I want. You have categories here, social media, maybe education. Here I'm going to select grade 10 for instance. And then it'll like give me a game here. There's a few, there's flashing cards, English speaking cards. Trying to find one that's like this one for instance. There's this board game. There is, what else is there? Let's try something else. Maybe there's more for like preschoolers. As you can see, yeah, there's this maze game, etc. I'm just going to select this maze game one and I'm going to select customize this template. You can also edit this. I'm just going to select this one first. And then here you can change the subject. For instance, you want like a snail. Whoops. I'm going to flip it as well. And then, what do snails eat? I actually don't know. I'm just going to type in like carrot. I know they don't eat carrot, but maybe lettuce. Do they eat lettuce? I'm pretty sure they like chomp on some lettuce. I don't know. I'm just going to place that here. Can you help Gary find his lettuce? You can change the font, you can change the color as well here of the worksheet, and that's how you can create a game on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!